Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to stream on TikTok using OBS Studios 2026. So guys, you want to go live on TikTok with OBS Studios like a pro streamer. In this video I'm going to show you how TikTok would allow high quality streams using overlays and screen sharing while you are connected to OBS, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get all of this done and more. All right, so the first step is your requirements to go live on TikTok. So before using OBS, you're going to need to actually have a TikTok account and then at least 1,000 followers to access TikTok live. So you need at least up to 1,000 or maybe a little underneath 1,000 to get access to going live on TikTok. And then you're going to need a computer. That's a PC or, a laptop or a desktop or whatever setup you have. You're just going to need a computer. And then you're also going to need OBS Studios installed onto your computer. So please keep this in mind: a TikTok account, at least 1,000 followers, a PC or laptop, and OBS Studios installation, as well as the most important, which is a stable internet connection. It's not said enough, but you actually need a stable Wi-Fi connection or internet connection in order to be able to stream live on TikTok. All right, so moving on from here, the next step is now downloading and installation. The next step is now downloading and installing OBS Studios. So all you need to do is simply search for OBS for Windows. If you're on Mac, it's the same process, OBS for Mac. And then you're met with two options. So you can either get your OBS Studios via the main website, or you can get it through Microsoft Store. I would recommend Microsoft Store as the installation is almost instantaneous once you're done downloading from Microsoft Store. It's almost similar to the Play Store. And then for the traditional downloading option via the main website, all you need to do is click on download OBS Studios. It's going to take you to this platform. And then once you're here, you can either click on Windows for Windows, click on Apple for Apple, and Linux, I believe, for your Linux computer. And then if you scroll through, you can see the option to download an installer. You can see the option to download via BitTorrent or a zip file. And then you can also get it from the Microsoft Store or from Steam. All right. So since we're on Windows, all we need to do is click on download installer. So go ahead and click on this option, and it's going to load into a welcome screen. Now on this welcome screen, it's going to begin automatically downloading the OBS file. In most cases, it might not work, so I would recommend the use of a VPN. So try to get a VPN to access the site. So you're going to need a VPN to proceed from here. And then once you're done downloading it, once you're done downloading the OBS file, all you need to do is minimize your browser and then go ahead and open up the downloads on your computer, and then simply double click on the OBS Studios installer. It's going to begin loading up the installation. You're going to be met with, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Just click on yes, and then it's going to begin installing. Uh, as you saw, it's going to begin installing. This is the wizard setup. So all you need to do is click on next, and then okay, I already have it running here, but that's the process. And then just simply follow it till it's done, and then you can open up OBS. So it's going to look something like this once it's done. So this is the auto configuration wizard. You can optimize it for streaming, and recording is secondary, or optimize it for recording. You will not be streaming. And then we also have, I will not be using the virtual camera. Let's just go ahead and click on optimize for streaming as we're looking to stream. And then our current canvas is 1920 by 80, either 60 or 30, but prefer, let's just go with 60. 60 is much better. And then click on next. Now, the next thing here is your streaming information. So please enter your streaming information. We're not streaming on Twitch. We're going to be streaming on, let's click on show all and scroll till we find TikTok. Let's see if we can find TikTok. It looks like TikTok is not widely recognized here. So we're going to be going with something like custom. So all you need to do now is let's go with custom. Click on custom here, and then the server and stream key are needed. Now this is the tricky part. So you're going to need to get your TikTok stream key, which is the most important part of the setup. And all you need to do is open up TikTok on your browser and head over to the TikTok Live Center. So let's go ahead and open up our browser. Once you've opened up your browser, just simply search up tiktok.com and simply sign into your account. So this is the TikTok platform. I'm currently logged into my account, so please make sure you log into yours and then head over to live, I believe. Just click on TikTok live. It should open up the live center and then click on go live and then choose a streaming software, which would be OBS. So let's see if we can get that done. All right, so we're currently on TikTok's live center. Now, all you need to do is click on go live. So click on the go live option here, and you're going to need to download the live studio, I believe. So once you're done downloading the live studio, I think this might be a new development, but once you're done downloading the TikTok live studio, you should be able to um, get your streaming key. You should be able to get your streaming key from this, though it's available for Windows and also available for Mac. But let's just see. Just click on download for Windows. Let's see what happens. But yeah, once you have actually downloaded it and you've connected your stream key, because your stream key and server URL would be shown on your computer. Yes, they would be shown, and all you need to do is import that information here. That's the server and the stream key. And then all you need to do is now simply click on next, and it should connect. All right, guys. So once you're done connecting everything, you can just simply go live by clicking on start streaming here. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.